Áudio é foda, né?
Hey, all right. So this is my big box that I've been saying I didn't want to open. So I'm gonna finally open it. So this is from my buddy he's my Facebook brother, and he's also my YouTube brother. You know what I'm saying? Randall. It used to be his full name, but I'm not gonna say his full name. But he sent this to me from Kentucky. He said when he bought it, he was thinking about me. It reminded him of me. So I'm gonna see what it is. Give me 1 second to get this box open. Well, I'll be. Hey, yeah, this reminds me of me. Yeah, you're right, man. Thank you, man. I truly appreciate this, brother. I'm gonna say this. Okay, I gotta make me a nice little stash place to put all the cool stuff that I have in my house, so I can have all this stuff. Because it usually stays in a box, but I said, you know what? I'm not keeping this in a box. Man, thank you, man. Let me show my face. Thank you, brother. I truly appreciate it. I hope the camera not showing all my face and I'll be looking crazy. And look back here. These are the other box. I have another special box. I was supposed to open it for Christmas, but I didn't. So these are just my air cleaners right here that I put with the box because I didn't want to open the boxes until, you know, it was a good time. So let me get to this other box. Uh-oh, a lot of popcorn. I'm gonna have to clean the car out again. So I didn't go inside of this box. I had it, but I just felt like it wasn't, you know, it wasn't time to. So this is the difference between the two steering wheels. So when I'm driving in the stock steering wheel, see how the stock steering wheel is, the size. So that's what I want. I needed some more control of the car. Now that it's a little faster, I definitely needed more control of the car. And so let me take this off. I didn't even know he had something added to it. He said he had something added. I didn't even realize what he meant. Hold on just a second, guys. Got it. Holy yikes. What's this? Okay. Let me see. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Okay. I got me some stickers. I'm gonna say, I think I'm gonna put these on. I'm putting these on Herbie. I think these going on Herbie. The last set I put on my laptop, but this time I think I'm gonna leave these on my. I'm gonna put these on Herbie, so people can know about the culture. And I got this super cool pen. Oop, it's upside down. Slaves VW. So I guess this will stay on my person at all times. You know what I mean? This is really cool. Really cool. Hold on, let me see if I can pin it up. I guess you really can't tell because I'm so fat and the light keep adjusting, but there is my cool pen. It's my cool pen. Those are my cool stickers, air cleaners, and I'm gonna change out because I'm gonna do it. I guess since I'm out, I gotta get out the house and have the fumigator come and kind of get rid of this problem that I'm having. So I guess what I'll do is I'll change out those, and then hopefully if I can find the socket. And the only thing I'm missing right now is the Allen key for the steering wheel. Hold on a second, I'll show you guys. Hold on. I'll just change out this steering wheel. Yeah, so I'll change out the steering wheel, replace it with this handy dandy stock steering wheel, which is a great. I mean, I really truly appreciate Slave for this. I swear, you and Heather are so awesome. I was going to do some kind of refurbish, but I don't really honestly. I like this. It fits the concept of the car, the black and the red and the black for the interior. So I'm gonna keep it like this. I got my other pieces. I think in another video I showed. So I'm gonna try to install those together, install that kit and put the ring on it. And then shoot, I'll do that. Hopefully I'll get some footage of it. I'm gonna try. If not, I'll just show, you know, pretty much this will be before, and then you'll see the after when the other steering was changed out. All right, on the lazy man scale of difficulty, very easy. I know I should have probably did somebody like you should have. My buddy was talking about him over there, that guy right there. That's Midas. Yeah, have if you're into like innovative Volkswagens, but like in other stuff, you check out his channel. He does pretty cool videos. He does. He's working on that project right there. This is also his project, and that under the cover is one of his other projects. Is Audis. If you're into like the modern Audis and stuff like that. Yeah. But anyway, it came out pretty good on the scale of on a difficulty scale, not it's like probably from like 1 to 10 or something like that. It was a 1. It wasn't as difficult at all. It took a few seconds. I know this is kind of crooked. It's not perfect, but you know, it's cool. It'll do. I got a larger steering wheel. I mean, and again, thank you to Slays VW Beetle, man. Thank you. I so appreciate you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to drive like a normal person now. I mean, drive above, steer without fighting. Feel like I'm fighting for leverage when I'm making turns. So, especially with this power, this was a definitely need. And I got to do. Also got. Where's my mirror now? I can't find my mirror. Well, I got a mirror here, and I got to change it out now too. I want to put on the because this mirror, since I repainted it, it's been floppy and doesn't hold anymore. I guess because of something down in here and connected in there, and I don't really know. I was gonna snatch it off and put on another one. Yeah, so I'm gonna snatch that off. Once I snatch that off, I go to, you know what, before I even do that, I'm gonna just knock these out, because these aren't hard. These won't be hard at all, because all I need is the filter element and the tops. So I'll just change those out, and then I guess I'm sorry, I didn't even have the camera pointed in the right direction, sorry. And then I'll install my handy dandy cool stickers that I got on here, and I guess that'll be it. I don't want to bore you guys with too much, and that's it. Maybe another drive and see how the maybe test out the drive and see if it's like did it make a difference, because in my opinion it made a difference, but maybe in your opinion, you probably say, well, the little smaller steering wheels, blah blah blah, but that was not. Look, okay, just to show you, just a reference, because I showed it before, but that was with the larger and smaller. So I lost I guess I lost maybe an inch around, if I'm being honest, like maybe an inch or maybe a half inch, but that half inch really comes in handy if you really want to check its perspective. Like it really helps to have that much more steering wheel, and it looks kind of, I mean, I like the nostalgic part of it. My buddy was like, painted red and whatever, or white or whatever, and I was like, no, I don't want it white, I wanted it black. He's like, what about your interior? It doesn't go with your interior. I'm like, how does it not go with my interior? My carpet is black, the sides of my seats are black. You get it, right? And then you say, well, why the white? Because if I'm not mistaken, I couldn't find any cool looking black window crank handles. So I already got some white ones, but I might get some black. Then if I do, I'll just change this out and see if anybody wants it. I'll just send it to you. Yeah, if you need this, I'll just send it to you. But since those knobs were already kind of like that, whatever, white ivory or whatever you want to call it, I was like, you know what? Let me just keep it like that. And then not sure. You guys give me an idea. Leave me a message. I mean, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Oh, so now we're at the bonnet now. So I guess it's time to take off the air cleaner. Shouldn't be too difficult, I hope. I'm just taking off this screw. I mean, this wing nut. That here. Snatch this off. He's a little dirty. I think Homie Pop said he wanted them, so I'm gonna save them for him and replace it. Time to replace it. So put this filter on. Sorry about that. Jump it up on your eyes. There we go for the top. Oh, it looks nice. It looks a lot better. Yeah. And then put a washer there. Sorry, the washer and the wing nut. That was it. Because I was like, why replace the bottom half and go through all that hard extra work for all I'm looking for is the aesthetic part and actually the function of the cleaner filters to suck in cleaner air. So one done, and then I'll just punch in for the other one, because if you saw this, you realize it's pretty much the same thing when it comes to the other side. So all right. Look a lot better. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Yeah, if you compare, apples to oranges or whatever, it's because this one is quite dirty. You gotta say those for Omi. Matter of fact, I should call him and see if he still wants them before I just save them, because he said he wanted them. All right, I'll punch back in. Yeah. All right, so I got that on. So that's 3 little projects in one video. I think that's pretty good. I did pretty decent. Wasn't really nothing major to do. I'm gonna go, maybe, we got a cool cruise we're going to, a Volkswagen meet, and I guess I'll pull the camera out and show y'all, you know, show y'all the trip. So that'll be in a couple hours. So, you know, a few minutes for y'all, but a couple hours for me. So, you know, I would say tell me in the comments if you even want to see it, but I'll just put it in there just, you know, just for the case, you know, for, just in case. Okay. Maybe hopefully you like it.